We are going to discuss about views and materialized view. So we will see the difference between views and materialized view. So first we will see that what is the definition of view. View is nothing but what? View is one database object, and view is nothing but it's a virtual data, and it's a mirror of a physical data. So then next we will see the what is the syntax. Syntax is like create or replace view name as select column name from table where conditions. Here you can write your select statement as per your requirement. Here I have created one normal example of a view. Create view name. The view name is price underscore view. Add select id comma price from price table where price is greater than 200. So whenever you will create your view and you want to check your view, so through this query you can check your view. Select star from view name means you are selecting your view data. So this is the syntax and definition of a view. You can create the view and you can use in your database objects like procedures, functions, triggers. In a trigger and trigger functions also. You can use the view as per your requirement. So this is the basic syntax and definition. The main important point of this view is database will not store the views on a disk. Okay, and it will not be treated as a table. Whenever you will create a normal view, it will not be treated as a table. So you cannot create a indexes on a view, and whenever you will call this a view, then what database will do, database will fire this select statement. So this is the main concept of the view. Then we will go for the materialized view. So what's the materialized view? So materialized view is nothing but whenever you will create the materialized view, so what database will do, database will store this materialized view on a disk. So it will be treated as a table. So we will see the definition. We have seen the definition, and then we will see the syntax of the view. So this is the syntax of the view. Create materialized view name as you need to write your select statement same as a view, but you need to mention this materialized keyword while creating materialized view. So this is another database object of a db. So here you can write the multiple tables as per your requirement, and whenever you create the materialized view, you can by using the same select query, select star from you need to write your materialized view name to check your data. So the difference between view and view materialized view is nothing but materialized view database will store this materialized view on a disk, and it will be treated as a table. So you can create the indexes on a table, but in view you can't create a indexes. So here you can create the indexes on a materialized view. That's why materialized view performance is better than a view. So these points are very important. You need to note these points, and you will not get the latest records through the materialized view. Suppose you have created one materialized view and you need to check it. So what materialized view, what database will do, database will return the records from this table, right? So database will not give your the latest records from your query, but view always return the latest records. So to get the latest records through the materialized view, you need to refresh the materialized view. So how you can refresh the materialized view? By using this statement, you need to refresh the materialized view. So refresh materialized view name, you need to write it and you need to execute it. So what it will do, whenever you will refresh the materialized view, you will get the latest records from this query. So these are difference between views and materialized views. So I hope you guys understood these concepts, the syntax, definition, and the difference. So now we will see in a db how we can create the views, like views and materialized view. So here you can see I'm using the pgadmin postgresql db. So here is one public schema. We will use the public schema for this video. So here I'm creating the employee table without schema. Means whenever you will create the table without schema, then it will be considered as a public schema. So first what I'm doing, I'm dropping the employee table. So here I have dropped the employee table. Here there is one message, you cannot drop the employee table because other objects are dependent on it. So what I will do, first I will drop this view because view is already made on that table, so you cannot drop it. Okay, we'll drop the materialized view. Okay, then what we'll do, first we'll drop the employee table. Okay, then here I have created one table with the 3 columns. We'll fire this query. Here I have created one table with the 3 columns: employee id, employee name, and employee department. So I'm going to insert some data into this employee table. So here I have inserted 3 rows. So again you can check. Here I have inserted 3 rows: employee ID 1, 2, 3. Employee names are Ramesh, Rajesh, and Kishore, and employee departments are like IT, and HR. So what we are going to do is we are going to create two views and materialized view, and then we will see the difference. So first what we will do, first we will write drop view if exist. The view name is view underscore employee. So views does not exist, so no problem. Here I'm going to create the view by using the view syntax. The Here I have recreated one view: create view underscore employee as select employee id, employee name from employee names. Then here I have created one view, and then we'll see the view by using this query. Here I have created one view: employee and id underscore and employee name. These 2 columns I have taken in a view. You can take multiple columns if your table have the multiple columns, and you can use the joining. You can use here multiple tables also as per your requirement. So whenever you so in this view, what database will do, database will fire this query whenever you will call this view. So and database will not store this view on a disk. So this is the second point. So here I have created the views. Here you can check. Here we have create first view. What we will do, first we will refresh the public schema, then we'll see, then we'll open this public schema, and we'll check in views, is our views created or not. Yes, here our views created, view underscore employee. And here you can check the 2 columns. With the 2 columns we have created this view. In materialized view we will check our materialized view is created or not. There is no any materialized view created, so here I am going to create the materialized view. First what we'll do, first we'll fire the drop query. If there is created, then it will drop that materialized view. Then here I'm going to create the materialized view. So here I have successfully created materialized view. Here I'm going to select the materialized view. Same query I have written. I have created the materialized view with the 2 columns: employee id and employee name. So we'll see here our materialized view is created or not. Here I am going to refresh the materialized view. So I need to refresh the whole schema, or you can refresh the materialized. So here you can check your materialized view is created. Okay, so the name of the materialized view is view underscore employee underscore m, and the 2 columns are the employee id and employee name. So your materialized view is created. The important point is materialized keyword you need to use, and database will store this materialized view on a disk. This second point is view underscore employee underscore m is your table. You can create the index on this view. Here you can create the index. Here we have created index. You can check the indexes from the pg underscore indexes. So next point is very important. So through this materialized view you will not get the latest records. Whenever the entries of this employee table will get increased, then you will not get the latest records. So to refresh the materialized view, you need to refresh the materialized view. You need to fire this statement: refresh materialized view name. So we'll see the example of the latest records. So the in employee table there is 3 records. Okay, there is 3 records. Again I am going to insert the 3 records. So there is total 6 records in the view. Okay, you can see the 6 records. Then what we'll do, we'll fire the normal view. So normal view will give the always it will give the latest records always. The total row count is 6, but materialized view, it will not give the latest records. You need to refresh it. So it will give the only 3 records. Still it is executing. So you can, here you can see the 3 rows are affected, means it is not giving the latest records. To get the latest records, you need to refresh the materialized view. Here I am going to refresh the materialized view. I have fired the query and query is running. So I am query is returned successfully. Okay, here I have refreshed the materialized view. Again we will check the materialized view records. Is there 6 records or still there is 3 records? So the result of the materialized view is like, still query is running, waiting for the query. Okay, now here is the result. Here you can see the total 6 records this materialized view returned because you have had this query. So these are the concepts of the views and materialized view. I hope you guys understood. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please hit the like button. Thank you.